What if you could clone yourself? Imagine having an assistant that works 24/7, never sleeps, writes blogs, handles emails, analyzes customer feedback, generates business ideas, and even drafts strategies, all instantly. This isn't science fiction. It's AI. More specifically, large language models, or LLMs. They're already transforming how businesses operate. Companies using AI are seeing a 3.5x return on their investment. And in the last year alone, AI companies raised over $12 billion in funding. The momentum is real. But let's be honest, most business owners don't know where to start. It all sounds technical and intimidating. So in this video, I'll walk you through a simple, 4-step journey to using AI effectively in your business. No fluff, just what works. Let's begin where everyone should, with prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art of asking AI the right questions in the right way. Think of it like giving instructions to an intern. If you say, "Help me with my business," you'll get vague answers. But if you say, "Write a 3-paragraph product description for a backpack targeted at working professionals who bike to work," you'll get something much more useful. Now let's break down some techniques. The first is few-shot prompting. You give the AI a few examples of what you want, and then ask it to replicate the pattern. Let's say you're a business coach, and you want to generate client progress reports in a specific format. You feed the AI 2 examples, maybe with headings like "Goals this month," "Challenges faced," and "Next steps," and then ask it to create a new one based on fresh client notes. It follows your lead, matching your tone, structure, and style. Next is chain of thought prompting. This one's powerful for decision-making. You prompt the AI with a request like, "Let's think step by step about how to increase foot traffic to my coffee shop during weekdays." The AI will break down options, from offering morning discounts to partnering with nearby co-working spaces to launching a "buy 4, get the 5th free" loyalty card. It doesn't just give you a random idea. It reasons through the challenge. Then there's a self-consistency prompting. You ask the same question several times, maybe slightly differently, and compare the responses. Let's say you're trying to understand why some customers are canceling their subscriptions. Ask the AI to analyze your feedback data 3 times. It might return different reasons. One time emphasizing pricing, another highlighting poor onboarding, another mentioning lack of perceived value. When you see patterns across the answers, that's your signal. That's the insight. And finally, iterative prompting. This is where you treat the AI like a conversation partner. Start with a broad request, like "Create a landing page for my new online course." Then refine, make it more playful. Then again, add a testimonial quote. And again, shorten the headline. Each response builds on the last. It's like sculpting, shaping a rough idea into something polished. All of that's just level 1. And for many entrepreneurs, it's enough. You can build content, write scripts, generate ideas, and streamline tasks using just this level. No coding, no API, just you and a chatbot. But let's say you're scaling. Now you're dealing with volume. You want to automate hundreds of responses or analyze massive data sets. That's when you move to the next level, working with an API. Think of it like this. Instead of chatting with the AI through a browser, you're now plugging it directly into your tools and workflows. That could mean integrating it with your CRM to auto-reply to customer reviews, or setting up a daily summary of sales insights based on raw data from your e-commerce backend. You can even set up a system role, For example, let's say you want your AI to act like a professional, concise financial analyst. You define that role in your API, and every response now sounds like it's coming from a Harvard MBA. Want more control? Play with hyperparameters? Want the AI to be wild and creative? Crank up the temperature. Want it to stay laser-focused and factual? Turn it down. You can even limit how long the answers are by adjusting the max tokens setting. Let me give you an example. A boutique marketing agency wants to generate catchy Instagram captions for multiple clients in different tones. Playful for one, elegant for another. Using API settings, they adjust temperature and tone per brand. Now the AI creates unique content automatically, and their team just reviews and approves. Still not satisfied with accuracy? Let's introduce vector databases. Here's the problem. LLMs are smart, but they don't know your business. They've never read your internal documents. A vector database fixes that. You upload your data, blog posts, support transcripts, product specs, and now the AI can recall and respond based on your information, not just what it learned during training. A personal trainer, for instance, could upload 200 blog posts on fitness and nutrition. Now when a client asks, "How do I balance cardio and weight training?" the AI gives answers using that trainer's actual content, not general fitness advice, your advice. And if you really want to level up automation, consider AI agents. Imagine a restaurant owner who says, "Check inventory, predict coffee bean demand for next week, and generate a reorder email to our supplier." An AI agent can break that into tasks, use tools like spreadsheets, sales records, even camera feeds, and return with a full recommendation. All of that is still just level 2. But what if you want the AI to truly specialize in your niche, to talk exactly like your brand, or handle complex tasks in finance, law, or medicine? That's where level 3, fine-tuning, comes in. Here, you're not just telling the AI what to do, you're teaching it. You start with your own data, say a few thousand customer support tickets. You clean it, annotate it, and then feed it into a pre-trained model. The AI trains on your data and learns how you do things. Let's say you run an e-commerce site. You fine-tune a model on your product descriptions and customer reviews. Now, whenever you launch a new product, the AI can generate persuasive descriptions that sound just like your brand. Or imagine you're in legal services. You fine-tune an AI to review NDAs and flag potential issues. It understands your firm's preferences, red flags, and even legal tone. This level gives you incredible power, but it comes at a cost. Fine-tuning a model could run from $50,000 to over $300,000 when you factor in engineering, data labeling, deployment, and testing. It's usually a fit for larger organizations with serious AI goals. And finally, there's level 4, building your own LLM. Unless you're Google, a government, or a Fortune 100 company with a mountain of proprietary data and a full-stack AI team, you probably don't need this. But it's happening. Big players are building custom models as part of their long-term strategy. Why? Because owning the model means owning the moat. For everyone else, the first 3 levels are more than enough. So what's the real takeaway? Start small. Learn how to write better prompts. Practice giving clear instructions. Experiment with step-by-step thinking. Try rewording a single prompt 5 ways and compare the results. As your business scales, explore APIs. Start storing and organizing your business knowledge for a vector database. And if you've got lots of internal data and big ambitions, look into fine-tuning. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to amplify what you already know. The teacher, the marketer, the strategist, the founder, the creator. The better you are at your craft, the more powerful AI becomes. So don't wait. Start using it. Because in a world where conversation is the new interface, prompting is the new programming. And business just got a whole lot smarter. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.